Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, now the narcissist is mad that you moved on with your damn life. Already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. So let me get this shit straight. You finally realized this whole manipulation shit was a fraud. Finally got done dealing with the lies, manipulation, gaslighting, cheating, and emotional inconsistency. You finally decided to walk away, file for divorce, break up, get a lawyer, custody agreement, heal, start dating again, move on to someone that actually loves and appreciates you, and it's still a fucking problem? Now they want to call you, send random messages, be parent of the year showing up to shit they never did before, asking friends and family about you, randomly showing up places they know that you frequent, slowing down those divorce proceedings, spreading lies across town about you, all because you let them go after years of being mistreated, underappreciated, and abused? Make that shit make sense. And while I can't do that exactly, I will explain the thought process behind their diabolical ass behavior. See, when a narcissist loses something of value, whether they discarded it or you walked away, they see it as being destroyed and useless. Well, until it is again. Until the new supply gets boring. Until they see you happy again. Until they start creeping on your social media. Until they found out that, guess what? You don't need their pathetic ass in your life anymore. That the trauma bond that got formed when you used to reach out, break no contact, always answer those random and chaotic ass messages they sent, is now blocked? Shit. A narcissist can't help but try to regain control and dominance of the situation, but not because they actually want you back. Nah, not because they're trying to change, want to apologize, have a reckoning over the lives that they fucked up. Nope, it's literally just to see if they still can. And did you hear what the fuck I just said? I said it's literally just to see if they still fucking can. It's to see if you are still the same non-boundary having, empath, savior, forgiving person you used to be. Funny part is, you still are. But, and this is a big ass but, now you start placing boundaries on that empathy. You start deleting leeches from your life. You start focusing on preparing yourself for this exact moment. You know, when a monster who's already tried to destroy your life emotionally, financially, mentally, tries to creep their ass back in just to get a peek at how you did it. You know, let go of that crazy ass idea that they were never gonna change. Funny part is, we realize that after time away, how peaceful life becomes, how quiet and calm our nervous system is, how the distance gives us clarity and perspective. Craziest, how the self-reflection gives us this newfound look on what love, like real, meaningful, and long-lasting love, was something you never had. Nah, you had dysfunction, trauma, unhappiness, a non-empathetic ass partner who only cared about aesthetic, downplayed your efforts and accomplishments, and always wanted to be the center of attention. That was never love, low moccasin. It was an unhealthy attachment that our nervous system knew from the beginning was never the fucking place we belong. And I say all that to say this: when the narcissist comes back, or any ex for that matter, do yourself a favor and don't answer, because you know exactly where this rabbit hole is going to go, right? And it was never to a place that aligned with your fucking spirit. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.